Today we're going to get started cleaning my guest bedroom. If you've watched any of my recent videos, you've heard me mention that my daughter and granddaughter recently moved out. This room was originally my guest bedroom that my daughter took over while she was here. Now that she's gone and taken the majority of her stuff, much like my granddaughter, the stuff that's left here is pretty much stuff she either doesn't use or didn't really care too much about. So after a couple minutes of stalling and thinking about how tedious this project is about to be, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Catch.
Push or pull, and I am going mad just like you knew I would. You're reading me like an open.
There were a couple of boxes on the bed that just had a few random things thrown into them, so I'm going through those items, seeing if they're actually hers or something that I just threw in there because I didn't have any place else for it to go. And then I'm going to move anything that doesn't normally belong in the guest bedroom out so I can clear out this space for cleaning. I just had to take one more quick FaceTime break to talk to my granddaughter. She just went to the orthodontist today and got her braces off after 4 years. When I opened this bin, it looked like it was just a bunch of sheets and pillowcases. So as I started pulling them out, which I'm now glad I did, I found a set of sheets for this bedroom. As I'm moving this laundry basket out of here, I noticed that there were a pair of my leggings in the top. So I started going through all the clothes to see if there was anything else that belonged to me. Full disclosure, after I washed, dried, and folded them to put them away, I found my leggings in my drawer. So apparently she just has an identical pair of leggings.
Can't decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign.
Before I started making content for YouTube a couple years ago, I used to polish my nails a lot. So much that I collected about 1,200 bottles of nail polish. That's what these 3 IKEA Helmers contain.
You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering.
Last week's video was my granddaughter's bedroom. I cleaned her room similar to how I'm cleaning this one, and this is her mom's stash. Do you have a snack drawer stash in your room? Somewhere in your house, your desk, your office, your bedside table? Let me know in the comments. I'm just curious how many people have one.
Here we go again, staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign.
If you have Instagram and you want to follow me over there, I have an Instagram account also called Never Not Cleaning. I don't post a whole lot, although I'm trying to get better about it, but I would love for you to go over there and give me a follow, a like, and say hello.
We could take things slow. Say you think about it too. When the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be with, that I should be. We've been on and off.
It's probably been about 2 years now. I did a closet remodel sort of makeover on this one and the one in my granddaughter's bedroom. I actually filmed the one in my granddaughter's bedroom, so I will link it in this video if you're interested in watching my small closet makeover. This closet made prefab wire system or whatever it is actually really organizationally friendly. I don't know if that's a thing, but it has 2 sets of shelves on the left hand side, 2 sets of shelves on the right hand side, and then you can only see 2 of them here, but there's actually 3. In my granddaughter's bedroom, I customized it to make 5. So instead of those shelves on the left and right hand side stopping right there, they go all the way to the middle, which creates extra shelves in the middle.
Give me a sign. Yeah. Give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Give me a sign.
I know that I should keep it cool, babe. Not lose my swag and play the fool, babe. Just play the game and hold on, maybe. But I'm done with the waiting, done with the waiting. I'm done with playing nice.
In last week's video, I cleaned my granddaughter's dresser, which is identical to this one, but hers is white. And I mentioned this little drawer ledge whenever I was cleaning. I accidentally deleted the clips when I cleaned her room, but I made a point to show you when I clean this room how dirty that little ledge gets. Even though the drawers are closed, 99.9% of the time, this little ledge has so much dust accumulated, it's crazy.
Do you wanna go? Do you wanna go? Do you wanna go?
I use this little light when I'm doing my nails for extra lighting, and my daughter didn't use it at all. She just kind of stuck it in the corner over there. So it's been sitting there for like the last 9 months not used. It's filthy.
Remain, 'cause I'm done with the waiting, done with the waiting. I'm done with playing nice. Now look me in the eyes. Tell me what you see inside. Not gonna ask you twice. Not looking for your lies. Tell me, do you wanna go?
This shelf that's about to fall off the wall actually has little screws that are supposed to screw in from the bottom of the shelf into that wire rack, but I didn't screw them in when I put it up because nobody really ever touched it. Now I'm rethinking that. There's also an identical shelf over the top of where the baby's bed is about to be, so I probably should screw them in. Not probably, I definitely should screw them in.
I'm riding away tonight. Gonna try it while the world's bright. No room for one.
When I see the amount of dust that's accumulated on here, I always think about the carpet in areas that you don't always get to or that you can't vacuum. Because if the dust is accumulating on here like this, it's also in your carpet. A friend of mine got me this saddle bench for my birthday a couple years ago, and I absolutely love it. Originally, I planned for it to go in the hallway where that mirror is, but it's just a little bit too wide. So I moved it into the guest bedroom and put it underneath of this little round shelf, but I didn't like it out in the middle of the room. Then I realized it was a perfect size to fit in between the lamp and the bed for this wall, and now you have a little side table. This bookshelf was also originally purchased for that hallway until I decided I wanted the mirror and that little bench there. None of those worked out, but they work perfectly in this guest bedroom. I've always had this little kind of entryway space here, so when I didn't use this bookshelf in the hallway, I installed it in the guest bedroom. And when my daughter started staying here, she used it for her shoe storage.
I look at you, I know it's alright. You read my mind, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe, 'cause I want you here with me. I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love. I don't need another love. Yeah. We do this every day. We do this love for life. You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love.
Last Thanksgiving, I painted all of my interior doors black, but I did almost no research on how to do that process properly, so I had to redo it again this past July. Now it's only been about a month and a half since I've repainted them the right way, but I'm still being very careful not to bang them because the paint has only cured for a little more than 30 days, and I want to make sure that they don't get scratched up.
'Cause I want you here with me. I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love.
Everything feels so abstract. Yeah, it's complicated. What you say, the way you act. Well, it makes me so confused. I don't know what to do anymore. Can't you just make up your mind?
In true YouTube fashion, when one room is deep cleaned, another room is a mess. Today, that's my dining room.
Right now. Maybe you just wanna be friends, but there's a fight when we are talking. Maybe you just wanna pretend, but I can read between the lines. Even if I can't deny that all the things you said are hurting, still wanna be with you. I think you want it too. 'Cause baby, I don't wanna be.
While I'm sitting here doing this voiceover today, I'm sitting at the nail desk that you see in the picture here. I just counted all of the nail polish in those acrylic organizers. There's 109. And now I know that seems excessive. I mean, it doesn't seem excessive. It is excessive. That's a ridiculous amount of polish, 109. I actually have another 1,200 in those storage bins over to the left of the desk. But in my defense, I didn't buy all of them. When I was doing my nails regularly, I used to swatch nail polish. What that means is I would just paint 4 nails with the polish, photograph it, send it to the polish maker, and they would use it for advertising on their website. In exchange for me doing all of that, they would send me all of their polish.
Don't wanna think about it right now. Maybe you just wanna be friends, but there's a fight when we are talking. Maybe you just wanna pretend, but I can read between the lines. Even if I can't deny that all the things you said are hurting, still wanna be with you. I think you want it too. 'Cause baby, I don't wanna be. Baby, I don't wanna be.
That was a really long day, and to be honest, I didn't even get done all the things that I planned to do. I wanted to move all the furniture out and actually clean the carpets too, but that's just gonna have to be another day.
Baby, I don't wanna be.
I know that you have a lot of options when you're searching for cleaning videos, and I really appreciate the fact that you took the time to stop and watch mine today. If you did like the video, please consider hitting that like button. And if you want to see more of my cleaning content, I do upload videos every week. I do DIYs, I'm planning on some organization, I'm going to redo my laundry room, and a few other projects around the house. I hope you guys are having a great day. I'll see you next week.
About you